another mystery package which I wasn't told about. In any case, let's open it up. It kind of feels heavy. I'm not exactly sure what it is. It can be anything. It can be an amplifier. uh, okay, so it's Zero from, I'm not sure what brand it is. uh, I'm not aware who sent this because I do not remember talking about this, but maybe that brand or that person didn't paid much attention to me or got my contact details from somewhere else, because I do not remember telling anyone that I am interested in any of the Zero IEMs. In any case, here I have two boxes as far as I can see. This is Crinacle Zero. So this is my first IEM from Crinacle, it seems. Virgo. What is this? Designed by Truthear, made in China. I am totally unaware of what are these things are. In any case, what is this really? It's kind of okay. So decorative items, I do not mind, but I'm not sure how much I enjoy this kind of stuff. Okay, so this is for the background, I believe. This way or this way, whichever way it will go. Looks good, kind of a extra kind of thing, but in any case, looks good. I will not complain about this. This is the extra things that some people really like. If I'm one of them, I'll have to see, because I haven't looked into this kind of stuff. In any case, Truthears Zero. This is Truthear and Co. So, what are we looking at here? The from this graph, one might assume that this is a fairly V-shaped IM, but in this case, uh, I'll have to say this isn't exactly very V-shaped. Even though this lake looks aggressive, you can see that the gap is just 10 dB, and 10 dB of difference is very hard to perceive. And even though one definitely can feel that, yeah, there might be some V-shaped signature going on, but it will be barely audible, and this can turn out to be a fairly balanced sounding IEM. In any case, let's open it up. I have no idea what this IEM looks like, what I am looking into. Okay, I have seen this this IEM. Okay, so I have seen this IEM. There are some reviewers who have posted about this. Truth here, dual. Okay, I was not aware that I'm getting these IEMs. Okay, not bad. I've seen this, but I had not paid much attention to this. Good setup tips, foam, and have they mentioned anything? No, nothing. This is slightly wide bore. This is slightly narrow bore. I'll stick to the wide bore. Good looking IM. No doubts about that. This look nice to me. I find this to be fairly good looking. You can see the dual drivers here. Both the drivers are kind of visible here from this angle. One, two, nice, not bad. Let's have a look at the cable. I believe this is an inexpensive IEM, kind of 50, 60, maybe $70. I'm not exactly aware of the price, but I believe this is not an expensive IEM. In any case, this looks good. This looks good to me. I don't know what I will compare it with because I do not have IEMs in the 50, $60 range. But if it is kind of expensive, I do have the NF Audio NA3. So this should be uh, fairly good. Let's see how do this dual driver IEM performs. This is the unboxing of Truth Ear Zero. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.